Hi everyone, Maxine here, Tink and I Treasures. Welcome back to my studio. I'm going to be starting a project using this digital kit. It's from Line Dot Arrow, which is the name of the Etsy shop, and it's Winter's Tale is the name of the kit. I find the title a little confusing because I see this kit more as an autumn than a winter feel to it. So yeah, I'm kind of confused on the title of the kit, but it's Winter's Tale. So if you like it, then you know that's where it is. And here are the pages. I'll tell you, the pages are done in A4, so it's challenging if you're using US letter. Although I have discovered that my printer will take A4 paper or A4 size, so I'm actually thinking about maybe getting a supply of A4 paper to have on hand for these instances. But anyway, so it's a little challenging for those of us in the US. You either print with a border or you can print borderless, but then you lose some of the side details. No, that's not it. I thought I had some that I did that with, but anyway, yeah, if you increase it to where you don't have the top and bottom, you're losing a lot on the side. So yeah, it's a challenge, so you're gonna have to figure that out. I personally hate cutting these down, you know, taking this white border off, because it reduces the size of the journal, and I don't like that. But I have a solution that I'm going to use, and we'll see if it works. So these are the pages of the kit, though. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. I absolutely love it. But like I said, to me it has more of an autumn vibe than a winter vibe. But you know, maybe you can see the winter in it, because I don't. But I love this. I absolutely love it. I think she did a fabulous job with this kit. It's a little different from what I've seen before, and this is like a collage sheet, so you could use it as it is or use elements from it. There's another one. This I adore. In fact, I used this paper to back some other ones that I'll show you in a minute. I love this. It has, I don't know if you can see it, but it has just the lightest of writing in the background. I think that's so pretty. I like this with the 3 buttons there. Here's another background page. Another one. This one is my other favorite. The writing is more pronounced on this one, but isn't that gorgeous? I love it. And I love blues and browns together. I mean, I think you know that. I've mentioned that before. And this one, isn't that yummy? I just think that's so yummy. Okay, so those are the pages. This is the ephemera that comes with it. And these pictures are so gorgeous. Some pockets, tags. There's an envelope and some little elements. Now, someone said that this kit works really well with the Scan and Cut. So I dug mine out of storage. It's been up on a upper shelf in the closet for quite some time because I just got sick and tired of the silly thing not working. You know, half the time it doesn't see the images, and it was just frustrating beyond belief. But I heard that this kit lends itself really well to the Scan and Cut, so I'm going to give it a go. I'll let you know. Here's a couple more tags and a couple more pockets. Really nice ephemera that comes with the kit too. I like that. I like the size of these tags. Of course, you can print them, you know, probably any size you want to. And the postcards, those are nice. And where's the last one? So that's the kit. And I will, where is it? Oh my goodness, I've lost it already. How's that possible? Now wait, oh, here we go. All right, I will put that right up there again so you could take a screenshot or take a note, whatever you want to do. I think this image of the girl with the wolf, I think that's a wolf. I don't know. I think that's a wolf. Anyway, I think this is the prettiest one, and I'm going to use this for the cover. So I got a couple of different ones. I ran at different sizes. Just make sure that that works. I'm going to take that one out and put that to the side too, because now I've got 3 different sizes to choose from for the cover. So this one is gorgeous too, but I don't know, there's something about that one with the little fur baby that caught my attention. So anyway, that's the kit. Okay, my idea is, I don't know, I've had these paper pads for quite some time. I don't know if they're still available, if you could still find them, but I thought I would share. So I've got this one, which is Autumn Blaze, and it's Recollections, and then Recollections Wildflowers. So that's what they look like. Anyway, I just went through here and I pulled out what said autumn to me, and this one as well. This one, you know, I've pulled out some of the blues, some of the greens. These flowers, they have acorns in them and fall leaves, so you know, to me that looked like fall. And then this with the colors. So anyway, I just went through and I pulled out pages that to me said autumn, or has, you know, the right color story that I was looking for. So my idea, pull everything out of here. Everything's all piled up. All right, so my idea was that I take this paper and I did not fold that very well. God, once you fold it, it's hard to fold it again. Paper just really does not want to cooperate then. Get stubborn. Anyway, so I pulled out those colors There's my solids. And I cut, because this is a 12 by 12 paper pad, so I cut it down to 8.5 by 11 and ran it through again with this paper, you know, this page from the kit. I ran this on all of them, so they all have that as the back side, or the other side, as it were. And then these, oh, these are still, yeah, the solids. So I just have these turned one way and these turned the other way. So those are going to be my pages in the journal. And then I took some pages and cut them down. This is like 3.5 inches by 6. So they would make good tags. So I have those. And then I have some other pattern papers here that I, again, tore out of those 2 paper pads that I showed you. I love this. I'm not sure if we're going to use that, but I really love it. And to me, it looks like autumn. I don't know. There's that one. There's this one. See, it has the acorns and the fall colored leaves. And I think this kind of flower actually blooms in the fall, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's a mum. So, yeah, so I thought that went. Of course, this, isn't that gorgeous? Couple of those. This one, I'm not sure about this because of the shiny, but we'll see. You know, maybe I'll cut out some of these leaves and use those. This is gorgeous, isn't it? That one again, and this one again with leaves. It's got that foil effect on it, so there's another one with the foil effect. So anyway, that's what we have to work with. So I thought, okay, because I couldn't print these, or some of them, I couldn't print them. See, this one, I don't have as much of the white showing, but if you remember, there's a blue strip that's going along here that's totally cut off. So I decided that, okay, here's an example. So because I have to print it like this in order to get, you know, everything, I'm going to have to cut this down. And that's going to give me a smaller journal than what I want. So I thought, okay, I'll just embrace this. And I will cut these down, but I will use those to put over this paper. Does that make sense? So I will cover this paper with this and have a border. Of course, I might not use this one with this paper, but you see what I mean. Here's a blue one. I bet you this would probably look pretty good. So if I cut off the white and then stuck that down, it would have this blue border showing, which would match with that. And I think that would look pretty good. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's my plan. And I thought I'd bring you guys along. The kit is called Winter's Tale, but to me it's more of an autumn look. So I think I will name this series Autumn's Tale and or something to that effect anyway. And I will name all the segments the same, so you know you can find them. I have no idea how many there might be. It just depends. I don't think this will be a start to finish type tutorial. I might just show you how I'm decorating pages and things like that. So we'll see. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know that that's up and coming, and to watch for it, and to check out this lady's shop. She has some really pretty designs, I must say. I mean, not just this one. She has a lot, and they're all really pretty and different. You just have to be warned that she does do it on A4 size, because I believe she's in the Netherlands. So, but yeah, I'm going to check out A4 paper and have that on hand, because I seem to get kits a lot with this size, and it's always baffled me, you know, how to manage it, because you just can't. If you blow it up to where it covers the page, you lose quite a bit of the design. So I think I'm going to get myself some A4 paper, just so when I get kits like this, it's not going to be a problem for me. But yeah, so we'll see how it goes. And thank you for joining me. I hope you return to watch this project as it advances. And good morning to all our new people. I am so grateful to have you here, and to all the people that have been with me from the beginning. I am so thankful for you as well. So until next time, take care of you, love each other, and I will see you again. Bye.